This is Excel Champ. Calculating the difference of time can be super frustrating in Excel since it doesn't really recognize time the same way as everything else. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to calculate the difference of time and then the sum of time. In our example, we're going to be using our hours worked for the week, and we're going to also want to find out how much we made for that week. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to follow along using this example, you could download the file and the link in the description down below. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your time here is formatted as actual time. We could see up here in our format that this is time. If yours is not saying time, sometimes it'll say general. What you want to do is highlight all your time input, right click on it and hit format cells. And this will bring up your format cells. And you're going to want to click on time, and in this example we want just our hours and minutes, but there's a couple different formats you could use here. Any one of these is fine for time. It'll calculate it just the same. Is calculate the difference of time in each one of our days, and we see if we just subtract our finish time from our start time, it's going to give us something formatted as time as well, but that's not exactly what we want. So what you're going to want to do is delete that formula out. And we're going to want to do equal, open parentheses, our finish time subtracted by our start time, close parentheses, and then multiply that times 24 and hit enter. And then it's going to still format it as time, which is not exactly what we want. So what you're going to do is hold Control, Shift, exclamation point, and that's going to change it to our total hours worked. If we take that and we drag it down through all of our days worked, we'll get the total amount of hours worked for each one of these days. We're going to add all that up with our auto sum feature here. Make sure we include Sunday in case there was time there. Hit enter. And we worked 39.73 hours, and we make $15.50 an hour. So if we just do equals times our hourly pay rate times our total hours worked for the week, we could see we made $615.87 for the week. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe.